So we have done all the transformation of those population tables. We also did a merge between tables. So now the data seems to be in a good shape, and we can use the completed data, basically this table 2, 3, and 4, okay, a combined population table, to do further work. For example, we can do visualizations, we can construct report pages, okay. So now we can close down this Power Query editor and go back to the Power BI desktop to do the visualizations, okay. So to close this query editor, you can basically click on this button. There's actually 3 options. Close and apply will apply all the transformations we just did and send the data to the Power BI desktop. And there you can do the visualization and constructing reports, okay? And this query editor is going to be closed once that's done, okay? Apply, however, only going to do the transformation, but this query editor is going to be remain opened, okay? And you have both this query editor window and this this Power BI desktop window, okay? And the last option, which is close, we'll just close the query editor without transforming the data, okay? Most of the time, we'll just close and apply. So just click on close and apply. So we get the data, and also the query editor will be closed, and we'll just focus on the Power BI desktop for visualizations. So I'm clicking on this one. And now you can see the query editor window is already closed, and we are transferred to this Power BI desktop. And you can see the data is being loaded from the web page, okay, and being transformed as we did, like lift up the headers and deleting certain columns and doing the merging, okay. Once that's done, then this data is gonna be put into the Power BI desktop. You will see those data here, okay, in this model tab, and actually here it's done. So you can see all the tables here, okay. That's already completed data sets, okay. The original data was from, remember, Wikipedia web page. Now all the transformation has been done, so the data sets is transferred to this Power BI desktop. Then you can see those tables here, okay. You can see the structure of those tables here. All right, so this is a kind of the final table we want to use, which includes all the years population data for different countries, okay. This is our table view, remember, and we can see all the data set structure. And here you can then use those data sets to do the visualizations and construct different report pages. Finally, well, we already closed that query editor, and if you somehow still want to use that query editor to maybe adjust all those steps you have done, you can go to the home page here under the Power BI desktop, the home tab, and there's a transform data, okay, and click on that one and go to the transform data. Then the Power Query editor is going to be opened up again, and you can see all those original queries you had done. All right. So again, if you don't want it, just close and apply, and you are going to go back to this Power BI desktop.